Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the exciting world of NASCAR, specifically the 2017 Monster Energy NASCAR Cup Series. This season was full of drama, excitement, and history-making moments, so let's break it down. 2017 NASCAR season was a landmark year as it marked the debut of Monster Energy as the title sponsor of the Cup Series. After 36 years, the Sprint Cup Series was renamed, ushering in a fresh era for one of the most popular motorsports leagues in America. Monster Energy's involvement brought a new level of energy and excitement to the sport. The series consisted of 36 races held from February 26th to November 19th, 2017. It featured some of NASCAR's biggest stars and saw a mix of experienced veterans and rising talents battling it out for supremacy. One of the most significant changes to the format in 2017 was the introduction of the stage racing system. The races were divided into stages, with points awarded at the end of each stage. This format added more strategy, making races even more intense and exciting for fans, while also keeping drivers on their toes throughout the entire event. Additionally, the chase format was renamed to the Playoffs, a 16-driver field where each race added more drama as drivers fought for a spot in the next round. The focus was on performance and consistency over the final 10 races. The season also saw a dominant performance from some key drivers. Truex Jr. was one of the standout stars of 2017, clinching the championship after an impressive year. He won the most races that season, including 3 in a row at one point, and ended the year with a career-defining victory in the Championship 4 race at Homestead Miami Speedway. Another key player in 2017 was Kyle Larson. Larson had a breakout year, finishing second in the standings and earning multiple wins. Despite not winning the championship, his consistency and strong performances throughout the season solidified his place as one of NASCAR's top talents. The year also marked the resurgence of veterans like Kyle Busch and Jimmy Johnson, although they fell short of the title. Johnson, a 7-time Cup champion, was still a force to be reckoned with, while Busch remained one of the most successful drivers on the track. Speaking of memorable moments, the 2017 Daytona 500 was one of the most talked about races, with Kurt Busch clinching his first Daytona 500 victory. The race was thrilling, and the entire season had that high-octane energy that NASCAR fans crave. Another unforgettable moment came at the Talladega Superspeedway, where there were major crashes and intense racing. Talladega has always been known for its unpredictability, and 2017 was no different. Fans were on the edge of their seats throughout the season, as the stage format created additional opportunities for drama. When all was said and done, Martin Truex Jr. became the 2017 NASCAR Cup Series champion, marking a historic and emotional victory for him and his team, Furniture Row Racing. His championship win was the pinnacle of a season defined by consistency, strategy, and determination. Overall, the 2017 Monster Energy NASCAR Cup Series was a season of change, excitement, and unforgettable moments. The combination of new sponsors, innovative race formats, and incredible driving performances made it a year to remember. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2017 NASCAR season, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.